So in this clip you can see me using Breckle to capture facial motion capture. This was a test program I downloaded to try capturing my own mocap. It's used with an Xbox 360 Kinect, which uses infrared cameras to capture the movement. In this clip here I'm using it to capture full body movement, and it's tracking a skeleton from my dance moves. It was fun to play around with, but I did not end up using it in my own mocap data as the capture was not great quality, and as you can see from this clip here, the skeleton is very broken and it was just not usable. So instead I used the motion capture data I was given access to on my learning space in Motion Builder. Now what you can see here is me importing the motion capture data I was using. This is the little motion capture here, and what I'm doing now is assigning the character to the hip bone, and that's creating a skeleton definition for the motion capture data. Now I'm importing my 3D model with the rig, and then I'm going to change her reference source to be the motion capture. So now she follows along with the animation. And as you can see, like, the feet are just a bit messed up. There's cleaning up that needs to be done. So I'm making a new animation layer, and then I'm going to start fixing it. And what I do first is I bake the animation to the control rig, and then that way I can edit it separately. So what I'm doing here is I'm currently trying to select the control points to move her down because she was slightly floating, and now I am going in and fixing the feet, making sure they're turned correctly because they're off center and they're just floating about above the ground instead of being on the ground. So that's that foot fixed, as you can see, and then I do the exact same on the other foot. Just give it a tweak and make sure it's sitting as it should be. And the great thing about Motion Builder is it uses the exact same controls for Maya, so if you're used to Maya controls, this is easy done. And what you can see here is her fingers are slightly broken because the motion capture data uses one bone instead of all finger joints, so it attaches that to the index finger, and so I have to go in and I have to fix that to make sure that it stays in the same place it should be throughout the animation. It's just a simple tweak and setting a keyframe, which is what I've been doing the entire time. I've been fixing anything, I've been setting keyframes. I'm not going to show the entire process, but this is the finished bounce animation I did. It's slow motion so that you can see that her feet are fine, and I added a little bit of rocking and made her squat down farther. And these are the programs that I use. Thanks for watching.